Here for you. Wanted to give you a video going over our topic 2.3, who was Christopher Columbus' son? So I've got some basic vocab here that might be good to review. Just before you dive into this, you're going to start by looking at the textbook, then you're going to dive into some secondary sources, and finally you're going to finish out with some primary sources on Christopher Columbus. The big thing we're going to be answering is the question you see there, who was Christopher Columbus? You're going to answer that question several different times. But each time I want you to base it on the reading that you've just seen. That's going to help you score well on our scoring guide. Also gives you a good chance to kind of practice doing some source analysis and looking at multiple points of view, which could help you when we get to our next topic. So the first one here is going to be a PDF. If you open that up, you're welcome to just read it here in Chrome. But if you prefer to download it into Adobe so you can highlight and do all that, it's fine. It looks long, but again, it's kind of got lots of different stuff built in. This is from a 7th grade textbook, so should be well within stuff you're able to handle. When you get to number 4, again, you're going to answer this question, but only base it on the textbook. Don't bring in any outside stuff. I just want you to base it on the textbook. Going to do some similar questions here as you look at reading 2, and you're going to answer that same question here for based on readings 2 and 3. Again, answering this based on that reading, who was Christopher Columbus? And then finally, as we check out readings 3 and 4, you get the link there. If you don't want to use that link, that's fine. If you just scroll down, you'll see readings 2, 3, and 4 down here. You're able to highlight and do text speeches within this Google Doc. Just wasn't able to do that with our textbook for a few reasons. What you're going to be scored on is in the scoring guide here. So obviously, you're going to be identifying who was Columbus, but then when you get into brief explanations and then kind of into connecting supporting details to it, that's how we start moving into that proficient in advance. If you guys got any questions about this, please, as always, don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. Thank you.